Bonjour! Today I will show you how to make an apple crisp. And you know what? I also did that apple crisp with, oh come on, it's just peaches. It's delicious as well. When it's peach time. I don't think it's peach time right now, but you have apples. Yeah, depending what time of the year you listen to this, you can have peaches as well. So all the ingredients in there, the apples, the dates, the walnuts, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, all excellent for you for your health. And this is my ingredient that I love to put in quite a few of my recipes because it has 92 of the minerals that we need in our body. We need 102, it has 92. And I love this company. It doesn't taste fishy at all. It's delicious. So it just adds the mineral that you might not have in the other ingredients. But let me tell you a little bit about like the apples. They are high in fiber, antioxidant. They stabilize the blood level sugar. They are the phlorizin, a phytonutrient that can help improve bone density. Low in calories, rich in nutrients, it's a perfect snack. And then it contains pectin, which helps promote the healthy bacteria. Gut bacteria. There you go. I mean, those are the apples. The walnut. The walnuts have tons of nutrients: calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, folate, zinc, copper, selenium, vitamin C, and niacin. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which balances with omega-6s, which we tend to have more of the 6s. So we need the 3 as well. So that's perfect for that. It contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory polyphenols, help promote the healthy gut. So it's a combination now. We got, it just keeps going. And then what else? Lower the risk of diabetes, improve skin health, treat eczema, acne. It's all going to be in the show notes. It's amazing. Cinnamon. Cinnamon regulate the blood level sugar. There we go again. So it just, it just keeps going. Reduce the high blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It has antioxidant that helps with handle the free radicals, cancer, heart disease, diabetes. It helps with all that. It reduces the inflammation in the body. And then it restores the balanced bacteria in the gut. There you go, the gut again. Nutmeg, oh my gosh, it reduces stress, it induces sleep, it increases the duration of sleep. It stimulates appetite and digestion. And then it reduces inflammation throughout the body. I mean, stimulate digestion, alleviate the bloating, the gas, the indigestion. It's a natural pain reliever. It helps fight bacterial infection. It just doesn't stop. And then it improves the cognitive function and memory. So that's great. Alleviate respiratory conditions such as cough, colds, asthma, and skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It's just amazing. This is all the food. So you're eating a treat, really. Well, when you think of it, an apple crisp is a treat. But no. You're eating for your health. Isn't it amazing? When I say the answer is on your plate, it is. Okay, next we'll jump into making the recipe, and you'll see it's made in no time. Join me in a minute. Okay, so now we do the recipe. As simple as, you'll be blown away. Okay, I'm using my little blender here. This is from the Blendtec. So you might have a smaller blender like this because the recipe is small. If you don't have a smaller blender, then double the recipe that I'm telling you right now. I've got my little notes here. So first we start with, and I'm just going to bring my board. This is good, that little trick here. Let me push this away so you can see what I'm doing. Having a cloth underneath your board, and then it will prevent the board from moving around. Okay, so that's great. So we've got that. Let me just move a little bit things out of the way so I can be more, there you go, more over here. Perfect. Excellent. Okay, so I need to have, I use the scale because that's so easy for you to make food that way. Put my blender on the scale. I need to have for my, and I'm going to start with the crumble first. So let's start with the crumble. We put the blender on the scale, and then the crumble is simply 32 grams. There you go. I had to wait, it was at 0. 32 grams. There we go. And then to that we add 16 grams of dates. And then what that does is if you want it any different, you just change the amount of weight, you see? Simple as that. And then, because I just want to use a blender, I don't want to use a food processor, then I put it here, and I'm just going to pulse. There you go. Ooby! I made my crumble. As simple as that. And then I will just save it here for now because I use that at the end to cover the apple crisp. Okay, next one, next step. Now we do the apples. So now I need, for the filling, I need 120. I already quarter my apples. You know how to do that, so I thought it would be faster that way. Then I will just cut them up a little bit. And it's always easier to cut on the opposite side than the peel. Just like that. Then I have a cool, there you go, scraper here. I put that in there. To that, I will add 32 grams. So we had 120. So 32, 152. You see what I'm doing? So I don't have to measure in a cup, just right away in here. Then we have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice. And you do press it yourself. Otherwise, it tastes metallic when you get it from the store. Half a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then we have 1/8 of cinnamon and a pinch of the nutmeg. There we go. And a pinch. There we are. And then we blend. So you saw me, right? What I was doing is while it's blending, I'm cutting my apples. There is no point for me to wait. I can do something else. And here we are. Got all my apples cut up. You can use your food processor if you like for that, but I just want to do extra things that are dirty. One more thing as well, I forgot to, there we go. I've got all my food underneath here. Is raisins. I forgot that. Raisins also are excellent for your health, obviously. So 33 grams, it's all good for you. 12 grams, so it just made it to 133 for what I had in there. I have 240 of apples. I put 3 grams, there you go. So it's 252. Okay, now I simply put the mixture here on top. Just like that. There we go. And then you mix. It's just beyond super easy. There. And then you can choose a dish that will go in the oven, or you can eat it chill. You don't have to cook it. Of course, if you eat it chill, or if you warm it up as little as possible, then you keep more nutrients, right? You know how it goes. And then, there you go. And then we just sprinkle over top with the mix of the walnuts and the dates. You can do a mix of rolled oat and dates if you like, but you sprinkle on top. Ta-da! And it's ready. Eat food that loves you back. Put food on your plate. That is the answer to your health, and that is. So you have a treat that is absolutely delicious, but also delicious for your health. Love food that loves you back. And remember, the answer is on your plate.